guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another dupe video because it is still April and we are still doing dupe videos all this month. And today we are doing a dupe video about the MAC Roller Wheel Liquid Liner, and we are going against the Revlon EXACTIFY Wheel Tip Liner. So if you're interested to see how these two products perform, then please keep watching. So right off of the bat, these are the two products, Abby. MAC Roller Wheel Liner came out just a little bit ago, and there are tons of reviews on this because everybody thought that it was going to be so great because of the roller wheel. That sounds like it's going to be a really good way to get a good crisp wing, like a pizza cutter. A lot of people have kind of explained it that way, like it is a pizza cutter for eyeliner. However, it did not do so great in those reviews. Like, not a lot of people liked it. And on Ulta, that's where I purchased mine from, it did not get so great reviews. Then, a little time passed, Revlon came out with a roller wheel liner, and I was kind of like, why? Like, MAC's got such bad reviews, like such bad backlash. Why would a drugstore come out with a roller wheel liner as well? Well, on Ulta, the Revlon actually got really good reviews, and the MAC got really bad reviews. So such is life. I got these both at Ulta. As you can see, they are not the same color because the only one that they had available online at Ulta was blue. And although the MAC only comes in blue or black, the Revlon comes in black, and then there are four other shimmery shades. I got black because that is the one that I will use the most. But can we just talk about this packaging? Like, Revlon, you came to play. It is the exact same. Like, shape, everything. Come on, Revlon. Like, be a little original. These are the two eyeliners. They're the exact same. Like, I can't, that's so funny to me. That's hilarious. So, also, again, note, I purchased all of this makeup with my own money. These videos are not sponsored. I'm not trying to pit one company against each other. It's just a fun dupe series. Like, it's funny to see when drugstore or less expensive brands do dupes of prestigious or high-end brands because, like, sometimes they don't even try and change it. Like this one. So, let's open these bad boys up. Yep. They're the exact same, even down to, like, the insides. Ugh. Ugh. So these are the tips. I don't even know if you can see that. So these are the tips for the actual eyeliner. They're the exact same roller wheel. I don't honestly know why Revlon's would get better reviews than MAC's. Maybe it's the actual product itself. Who knows? But we are going to try these bad boys out. I'm going to do MAC on this side, Revlon on this side, and we're going to see if I can use them / if they're any good. So yeah, it's kind of like a first impressions and a dupe. How do you like them apples? So I don't even know how to go about this. I mean, obvi, we're gonna try and do a wing. Why wouldn't we? Alright, that's not too bad. It's, I mean, that's a long wing. That was my fault. That's not the roller wheel's fault. I like the color of the blue. Alright, so I struggled through that. It's not so much the bottom line that I struggled through, it's this top line. It's really, like, jaggedy, and it's because the wheel doesn't, like, roll, it just kind of, like, glides, and I was having some, like, angle issues. When my eye is shut, it doesn't look so bad. It's just when it's open. Alright, now we're gonna try the Revlon one. I don't know, it wasn't necessarily bad, it's just kind of cumbersome to use this type of a product. Like, I don't see the benefit. Does that make sense? Alright, same super long wing, because apparently that's all I can do. Okay, that was again my fault. This is hard. And filling it in is hard too. Like, filling in the wing. Alright, so that actually, the black went on a little bit easier. This jaggedy, crap right there, that's a Kirby fault. That's not necessarily a product fault. So we're not going to, you know, hate too much on that. This blue was really hard to get on. Alright, so here's the final results of my roller wheel liner test. Yes, they are a dupe for each other. The MAC retails for $21. The Revlon retails anywhere from $9 to $12 depending on where you get it. Target, Walmart, Ulta. Again, I purchased mine at Ulta, so I think it was around like $12. That's still like a, you know, $9 to $12 savings, like depending on where you get it, which is definitely worth it. However, I don't recommend getting this type of liner, but if you are interested in the Wheeler liner, just get the Revlon because it's a $9 to $12 savings. Like, honestly, I feel like this was just a poor product to begin with, obvi. But if you're looking for a less expensive dupe to the MAC roller wheel that did not do well or did not get really great reviews, then just go get the Revlon Color Stay EXACTIFY liquid liner roller wheel one for, you know, $9 at your local Walmart or Target because they work the exact same. However, I will say that the Revlon, the actual wheel itself, like rolled, whereas the MAC, I felt like it just kind of glided along and just distributed product. The wheel actually didn't roll like the Revlon one did. Now, I don't know if that might just be a formula thing, like if the black MAC liner rolls any differently because of the different pigments in it, or maybe the Revlon shimmer ones don't roll as well because of the type of glitter and things that are in it. But for the black and blue test, I can tell you that the Revlon black is much better in terms of rolling across your eye and distributing the product. So I'm gonna have to side with Revlon on this one. They are dupes for each other. It has been tested, it has been proven. I will say though, I don't like this product. Alright guys, that is the video. I will link both of these products down in the description box below, so if you are interested in a roller wheel liner, then you can go and check it out yourself. Did you like this video? Have you used these roller wheel liners? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you enjoying this dupe series? Let me know that in the comment section below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any reviews or tutorials or dupes. Thanks so much for watching, guys.